Hey pretty girls, welcome back to another video. I know. Sorry for the delay. I know I'll be disappearing. I'm gonna try to be more consistent. And yeah, so this is just another Amazon wig that I decided to try out. And I decided to try to do it glueless because I don't know if it's only me or what, but after so long, the glue starts breaking me out. But I like that frontal look, so I was like, let me go ahead and try to attempt a glueless install. So yeah, this is how I did it. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comments below. Also, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video.